Dave Roth trying to cure the hiccups.
That's how you cure it. There was a book on, this guy wrote a book on how to cure the hiccups.
Dave Roth learned this cure from Tara Lederer.
What's that?
I always did a teaspoon of sugar under your tongue, let it dissolve.
That's you eat it. You know what I do? I let that shit ride.
They may be cured, ladies and gentlemen. You want to tell the world how to cure hiccups?
Apparently you hold your breath for a little while, then you grab some water. While you're still holding your breath, you drink the water. My hiccups are gone.
What was the deal with your hand over your head?
Well, you hold your hand above your head while you're drinking, or while you're holding your breath, and then start drinking.
And it
water.
worked.
And it worked.
And you don't have the hiccups
I do
anymore.
not have the hiccups
I would
right
just like to say that Dave's hiccups are cured.
now. They're cured.
Oh, did it work?
This is the way to cure hiccups.
Oh, it worked.